Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a card that I titled Happy Easter, and I'm working with a digital version of my favorite Easter from Echo Park, and I'm also basing this on a template that I created, and I will be sharing as a freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. So I'm starting with a background paper, and the template will actually have another layer that goes on top with just a little rim around. But I really kind of liked how this, not pink, but whatever color that was of the background paper there, it gave a better contrast for the papers that I'm using. So I decided to just skip that extra layer and just add the colored papers or the pattern papers on top of this. And so here I am adding the last little bit, and then I just stamped the title, and then or first used one of my die cut labels there to just cut out the label, and then stamped everything. And this is my card done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.